Good evening. A teen charged with second-degree murder in the stabbing death of 14-year-old Devan Selvey pleaded guilty today.
Selvey was killed in 2019 outside his Hamilton High School in front of his mother. The court heard that the stabbing came after a confrontation over Selvey's bike, which was stolen a month earlier. Matt Ingram joins us live in studio with more on this. Matt.
Taz, today's plea was a surprise to many, as it was expected that the trial of the teen would begin this week in front of a jury. But instead, the defense chose to be tried by judge alone and entered a guilty plea.
Overcome with emotion, Devan Selvey's mother left the Hamilton courthouse today in tears, too upset to speak. The 14-year-old teen accused of killing her son admitted he stabbed the boy once in the back, which court heard severed his pulmonary artery, causing his death. Devan Selvey witnessed the attack, which happened October 7th, 2019, outside Sir Winston Churchill Secondary School. We cannot name the teen in court today under the Youth Criminal Justice Act, but the circumstances of the attack were read out in an agreed statement of facts. The court heard that Devan was with a friend when he believed he recognized a person involved with the theft of his bike a month prior. That led to a confrontation between the teens and some parents, where the older brother of the teen who pled guilty sprayed bear mace at Selvey's friend. The statement says Selvey followed the group of four as they walked off, and his mom, Sherry Ann, followed in her SUV. At one point, another teen is said to have pulled out a retractable baton and threatened Selvey. The teen who stabbed Selvey was not present during the initial confrontation, but arrived soon after. The statement says the two brothers spoke by phone, and the younger brother believed his older brother was in trouble. Video from a Darts transit vehicle shows the teen approach Selvey from behind his mother's SUV and stab him with a knife he pulled from his waistband before running off. Selvey ran the opposite direction and collapsed.
Both brothers were initially charged with murder, but the older brother, who was 18 at the time, had his charges reduced and was sentenced to 15 months probation on a weapons charge. Sherry Ann says her son was bullied and the school did not do enough to address it, prompting Hamilton's Public School Board to look into bullying in the school system and conclude it was a significant problem. The defense and Crown are recommending the teen be sentenced as a youth, and the matter will return to courts December 17th to set the date for a sentencing hearing.